Hello, good morning. It's happy Sunday. So it's Sunday now here in the Philippines. Still, I'm on complete bed rest. It's already ilang araw na tayo, JP? It's already my fifth day, I think, if I am not wrong. Fifth day here in the Philippine Orthopedic Center. So, okay. For today, again, November 2. Happy birthday, OB. Okay. I hope you enjoy your day. Uh, Whatever gift that you will receive for today, say thank you and say your prayers. Okay. Okay. I don't want to have the responsibility to do this work because it's your birthday. But if you still want, then you can still do it. Okay. Okay. Our first word of the day is decrepit. First word of the day, decrepit. I don't know if it's the proper spelling. You have to check. It's either decrepit or decrepit. I don't know if I pronounce it right. Just check it again. Okay, so that's the first word, decrepit. Decrepit. Second word of the day, decadence. Decadence. Now, again, check for the proper pronunciation. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right as a native speaker, but that's what I know on how to pronounce it. Decadence. Third word, saccharine. Saccharine. Again, saccharine. Something related to sugar. Okay, fourth word, decipher. 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 Uh, Check again the pronunciation. I'm not that very confident with the pronunciation of this one, but decipher. Okay. Aberrant. That's the fifth word. Aberrant. Fifth word is aberrant. Okay, moving on to sixth word. Callous. Callous. Sixth word again is callous. Okay, seventh word is timid. Timid. Again, your seventh word is timid. Okay, eighth word. Tremendous. Eighth word. Tremendous. Ninth word. Auxiliary. 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 Okay. Tenth word. Mortuary. Mortuary. Tenth word. Mortuary. So that's your word for this morning. Let me check if I can still do the afternoon session with you. At the moment, that's your first 10 word of the day. Okay, what I want you to do, OB and Kaiser. OB, it's your birthday today. I don't want you to do. I'm not giving you anything, or I'm giving you responsibility to do this. But at the moment, if you still feel that you can do it, do it. Okay, it will be very helpful. Okay, what I want you guys to do is check for the proper spelling, check for the definition, check for the pronunciation also, synonym and antonym, and check for the usage. Okay, that's what I want you to do. Okay, so that's it for the morning. I will do again in later in the afternoon. Okay, okay, sir. Continue to memorize your "I am a poem" and send to me your video so I can see the progress. Okay, anak. OB, it's your birthday. Enjoy your day. Okay. Sige. Later.